Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia for those of you that are here for the first time. In today's video I am collaborating with Julie from Sprinkled with Paper. I will leave her link down below, and she does great DIYs and on her channel, and she's also a mom and has lots of great content for kids related content. So make sure you check her out after you finish watching my video. So in this video I am creating a St. Patrick's Day centerpiece. These are some of the materials that I will be using. So I need a vase, a little candle holder, all sorts of different ribbons, and just St. Patty's embellishments. I have a wreath from a Dollar Tree. So all of these items had come from a dollar store. I'm pretty sure mostly Dollar Tree. These are from Dollarama, and these are from Dollarama as well. So very inexpensive, budget-friendly centerpiece. And also these came from Dollar Tree as well. And you will need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to glue my vase to the stand. Just not sure which way I'm gonna go with. I'm going to let this rest while I get my other stuff prepared. Just want to make sure that the length is correct. Should probably have this, but you want to have them all in different lengths anyways. You will also need some sort of a wire or pipe cleaners. I'm just using a green wire. I'm gonna cut up a whole bunch of strips. This is a super fun and easy project that you can also do with your children if you wish to do that. I have made many wreaths with my kids before. Now they're too old to participate in any of the craft making that I do. I'm hoping that it comes around. Some of these, twist them, twist this around. And attach it to the wreath. To make things a little bit easier, you can also use little pliers to twist stuff around to make it a tighter twist. So once you're done with the big stuff, now you can move on to the smaller ones, and you just want to fill everywhere. And I'm trying different ways to do it, see what works better, easier. So I have attached all of the ribbon that I have, except this little thing. And what I'm gonna do with this is I am going to just kind of intertwine wherever, put it wherever there's empty spots, just to, I'm gonna try to do it without cutting it, but we'll see how that will work out. Now that that's wrapped, I'm just going to take this and make sure that all of it is spread out. Nothing's stuck on anything. Kind of like fluff it up. Okay, and now this will go in the middle, and I will fill it with these confetti. Woo. You can also take these and put them, wedge them into places. You can even glue them, but I'm not going to do that. So here it is, all finished, and it looks so cute and such an easy budget-friendly DIY to make for St. Patty's Day, and a great addition for this weekend at my buffet table. I think it's just gonna add the extra festivity. So make sure you check out Julie's channel, which I will leave with the link down below, and I hope you guys have a great St. Patty's Day, and thank you so much for watching.